Today, I'll explain how to buy shares of Ferroglobe Plc, a producer of silicon and ferroalloy materials listed on NASDAQ under the ticker GSM. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To buy the stock, you need a broker. I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before placing a trade. Use the platform search box and type the ticker GSM to find Ferroglobe Plc. Make sure you select the listing that trades on NASDAQ to locate the correct stock. Open the stock page to view a short company profile and the price chart. Check the company, name, market, and GSM ticker to confirm this is the correct listing. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed according to your order type, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will ask you to add money before completing the trade. Once executed or queued, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For a direct link to eToro and further resources, check the description below.